Building muscle on a vegan diet might seem challenging, but it's entirely possible with the right foods. Plant-based diets can provide all the essential nutrients needed for muscle growth if you choose the right ingredients. Here are 6 vegan foods that can help build muscle effectively. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides around 15 grams of protein. They are also rich in complex carbohydrates, which are essential for sustained energy during workouts. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association found that chickpeas improve muscle synthesis and recovery due to their high protein and fiber content. Including chickpeas in a diet can help you gain muscle while also aiding in digestion and satiety. How to consume? We can add chickpeas to salads, make hummus, or include them in curries. Quinoa is often considered a superfood and is gaining popularity in India. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. 1 cup of cooked quinoa offers about 8 grams of protein and is also rich in magnesium, which plays a role in muscle function and recovery. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights quinoa's high nutritional value and its benefits for muscle repair and growth. Quinoa's protein quality is comparable to that of casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein. How to consume? Use quinoa as a base for salads, substitute it for rice, or include it in vegetable stir-fries. Tofu. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a versatile and protein-rich food that can fit into many dishes. Half a cup of tofu contains around 10 grams of protein and is an excellent source of calcium, which is important for muscle contraction and bone health. The Journal of Nutrition published a study showing that soy protein, found in tofu, is effective in promoting muscle protein synthesis similarly to animal-based proteins. This makes tofu an excellent meat substitute for those looking to build muscle on a vegan diet. How to consume? Tofu can be grilled, stir-fried, or added to curries and soups. Lentils is full of nutrition, providing about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. They are also high in iron, which is essential for oxygen transport to muscles during exercise. According to research published in Nutrients, lentils not only aid in muscle growth but also help in improving metabolic health. Their high fiber content helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for energy during workouts. How to consume? Include lentils in dal, soups, salads, or stews. Peanuts and peanut butter are excellent sources of plant-based protein and healthy fats. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter provide about 8 grams of protein and a good amount of monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the combination of protein and fats in peanuts helps in muscle repair and growth, making them an ideal snack for athletes and bodybuilders. How to consume? Spread peanut butter on whole grain bread, add it to smoothies, or simply enjoy a handful of peanuts as a snack. Spinach might not be the first food you think of for muscle building, but it's incredibly nutritious. While it's low in calories, spinach is high in iron and nitrates, which can enhance muscle strength and performance. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides about 5 grams of protein. The Journal of Applied Physiology published a study showing that nitrates in spinach can improve muscle efficiency and stamina. Spinach is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and promote recovery after intense workouts.